Need to send a copy of your emails to another email address. Whether you're forwarding a single message or automatically forwarding all incoming emails, Gmail makes the process quick and easy. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to forward emails in Gmail in 2026. First, open the email you want to forward. Click the Forward button at the bottom of the message, or open the three-dot menu and choose Forward. Enter the recipient's email address and send the message. If you want Gmail to automatically forward future emails, click the gear icon and choose See All Settings. Open the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab, then click Add a forwarding address. Enter the email address where you'd like your messages to be forwarded and continue with the verification process. Gmail will send a confirmation email to the forwarding address. Open that email, click the verification link, or enter the confirmation code back in Gmail. Yeah, forwarding won't work until the address has been verified. After verification, return to the Forwarding and Pop IMAP settings. Select Forward a copy of incoming mail, choose your forwarding address, and decide what Gmail should do with the original messages after forwarding them. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Your incoming emails will now be forwarded automatically based on the settings you've selected. And that's how to forward emails in Gmail in 2026. Whether you're forwarding one message or automatically sending all incoming emails to another account, Gmail makes it simple to stay connected across multiple inboxes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.